Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I will be doing the review of the Mi Business Casual Backpack. This is actually a backpack which has been manufactured by Xiaomi. As you can see on the back surface of this cover, it has been mentioned that Mi Business Casual Backpack is the name of this backpack, and the MRP of this bag has been mentioned as 1999, but actual price of this bag is around 1199, and you can directly buy this product from the link in the description and also on the Mi official offline stores as well. The color of this backpack is blue. It is actually made up of polyester material with polyester lining as well. As you guys can see, this is the front surface of the Mi Business Casual Backpack, and there is this Mi branding that is written on the front surface. This product is also available in grey and the black colors as well. Well, the blue color and the grey color is 1200 rupees and the black color is 999 rupees. This product is very good in terms of build quality, and it has a premium finish with square based design. Let me just tell you guys the dimensions of this backpack. It is actually 44 centimeters in length, and it is actually 32 centimeters in width and 16 centimeters in height. So that means this is 16 centimeters, this is 32, and this is 44 centimeters for you guys. This product is made up of 600D polyester material, and it is IPX4 splash and water resistant. That means if you're taking this bag in rain, you should not be worried about a splash or two. And as I mentioned earlier, it has 44 x 32 x 16 centimeter dimensions, and this bag just weighs around 500 grams, and the weight that it can hold is up to 21 kilograms. And when you use this bag in your hand for the first time, you will feel that the quality of the materials that has been used is really premium. It is extremely commendable for this price value. And also there is a large mention of the Mi logo that is present on the top surface of the bag as well. This bag has important components such as one small front compartment, two side compartments, two main compartments, and one anti-theft compartment that is present at the back. This is the first compartment of the main surface, and we also have the second compartment, which is the place where you actually keep your laptops. This can support laptops as high as 17 inches as well, and there is plenty storage space to keep the things of your choice in almost every compartment of this bag.
This is the future.
Now let's start with the left side stretchable side pocket. This is actually a bottle holder, and since it is stretchable, it can actually hold water bottles up to 1 liter. You don't have to worry about what size of water bottle you are actually using. Since it is a stretchable pocket, you can easily hold the Tupperware water bottles of plastic, and also you can hold these steel water bottles as well. And I have also actually managed to sneak in a small sanitizer in this side pocket because it is really necessary. The top handle of the bag is made up of really strong quality polyester material with cushion padding inside it, which easily helps you to carry the bag around even when there are a lot of things inside it. Again, the zip of the bag is made up of a really good quality plastic and fiber material with rubber padding on the back surface of the zip to give a firm grip for your fingers. The zip locking and unlocking mechanism is also very flawless, and it gives you a completely satisfactory feel while zipping and unzipping this bag. Overall, the zip quality is really good, and it is actually a 10 out of 10 quality zip from my side. The overall material of the bag actually feels like a Rexine material, which is similar to what we have seen on jerkins or raincoats, and this is what it helps in its water repellent quality. And the back strap of the bag is pretty sturdy, and it has large cushion padding, and also the Mi branding is present on the left side back strap as well. And this back strap has large padding, as I said earlier, and this helps in actually reducing the strain on your back after wearing this bag for a long amount of time. This property of this bag actually helps in school and college kids who tend to wear their bags for a long period of time. And also there is a horizontal strap on the back surface of the bag, which helps you to prop this bag on a trolley if you're traveling with other bag, which is a trolley. And also there is an anti-theft secret pouch on the back surface of the bag where you can keep anything like some extra cash, or since the inner material of this pouch is like again a raincoat, you can even keep items which may be wet, like if you are going to swimming or something, you can keep your wet clothes in that place as well. There is another side pocket which is not stretchable, unlike the one on the other side which we showed for bottle holding. This side pocket cannot contain items such as bottles, but instead it can contain small items which can come in handy at times, like a small torch or some other item like a Vaseline, or even things like Vicks or Amrutanjan or Iodex or Volini, etc. The first compartment of this bag is a very small pouch, and also the zip of this first compartment does not start from the ends. Instead, it starts from something like a 25% from each side. Hence, you can't actually keep large items in here. Instead, you can keep some small notepad, or you can keep your driving license or your insurance and vehicle documents, or you can even keep a small first aid kit as well. And if you're keeping a notepad, you have to make sure that you can't keep in this direction. Instead, you have to just try to sneak in and just adjust this and keep it in this place. This is the second compartment of the bag. This is actually like an accessory pocket, but in large size. There is a silica gel that is present inside the bag, which is actually having the Me branding, which can remain inside that space. Now, this can hold a lot of things like your laptop charger, your power bank, your vehicle keys, your mobile charger, and also there is a small pen holder in the middle where you can keep your pen as well. And this pouch can easily hold laptop chargers as high as 150 or 160 watt laptop adapters, as laptop chargers these days are really bulky, and you can keep them here as well. And since there is another pocket over here, what I decided is I can keep my face mask over here as well, because that is very important these days, isn't it? Now let's straight away dive into the most important compartment of the Me Business Casual backpack, that is the laptop compartment, because the most valuable item of your product or your bag will be present in this space, right? It has 3 different compartments. One is the laptop pouch, this is another pouch, and also we have a zip based pouch that is present where you can hold a lot of items, which I'll show later. This is actually a 15.6 inches laptop, guys, and this bag actually supports 15 inches or 14 inches. Above 15 inches might not be supported inside this bag. As you can see, there is edges over here, and you can even sneak in your mouse pad, or even you can even sneak in your mouse into this space as well. And also you can put in your iPad or any other gadget that you have with you as well. As you can see, I have this mouse, and I can keep this mouse in this area, or if I don't want, I can keep this mouse in some other area as well. So this is my iPad, where I can keep my iPad without any tension, because there is the cushion padding, and even if I throw around this bag, the iPad and both the laptop will be protected without any damages or something. Since there is a lot of space available, you can even put your Bluetooth speaker, or even you can keep some books or something inside that. As you can see, I have kept my Bluetooth speaker inside this inner pouch like this. And you can keep your mobile phone, since there is another zip based pouch. The mobile phone will not fall off inside some other compartment of the bag. You can keep your phone here, and you can even keep your earphones inside that pouch, because it will not detangle or untangle inside this pouch as well. And you can even keep some accessories like deodorant or a perfume as well, guys. And also I've checked this bag with a 16-inch laptop. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro. This can easily fit in, because the size of the 16-inch MacBook Pro is actually not as huge as my old HP laptop. This has square based design, and the edges actually kind of looks like a square edges, but the shape is actually a rectangle, and it has boxy type finish. It has a boxy type design overall. And if you're a student who actually appears for a lot of exams or something, you can even keep your exam pad inside this laptop compartment, or you can even keep your exam pad inside this main compartment as well without any tension. And if you're a sports person, if you have some sports related goods like a table tennis racket or something, you can keep inside that in a horizontal way, just like how I am showing in this video. Since this bag is under 500 grams, wearing this on your back will not feel actually stressful. Even if you have a lot of things like a heavy laptop or an iPad and a lot of chargers and water bottle and something else as well, you don't feel like it is actually paining on your back because of the presence of the cushion based padding. And the overall bag weight is also less than 500 grams, that's why. All in all, I tried keeping a lot of products like my DSLR camera lens, and my wired headsets, camera gear, camera chargers, and also I tried keeping some lighting equipment and a lot of things. Xiaomi has actually thought of almost everything, right from books to examination pads, to your sporting equipments, to raincoats or any other things as such. And also this water resistant feature will actually come in handy during the rainy season. Overall, my personal experience of this Mi business casual backpack is actually very good. It is quite lightweight and carrying around the day is actually really hassle free, and for people who carry their backpack only on their single shoulder should not be also a problem with this backpack. And the overall quality is actually very good and very sturdy, and also it is actually at an affordable price of just 1200 rupees. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.